You know what? Most English learners say hello and hi every single day. But guess what? Americans almost never use those words.
Really? I say hi all the time.
I know, and that's okay. But today, I'm going to teach you how Americans really greet each other. Are you ready?
Yes, but Jessica, can I tell you something first?
Of course. What is it?
Sometimes when I say hello to Americans, they look at me weird, or they laugh a little, and it makes me feel bad, like my English is wrong.
Oh, Jack, I'm so sorry that happened to you. But listen to me carefully, okay? You are not alone. Many people feel this way. Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Yes, sometimes I don't want to speak because I'm scared.
That is completely normal. And I want you to know something important. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Even Americans make mistakes in English.
Really?
Really? And those people who laughed, maybe they weren't laughing at you. Maybe they were just surprised because you sounded different. That's all. You are doing great, Jack. And today, we're going to learn together, slowly, step by step, no pressure, no judgment, just learning. Does that sound good?
Yes, that sounds good. Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome. Now, let's start learning how Americans really say hello. Okay, Jack. First question. How do you usually greet someone?
I say hello or hi.
Perfect. Those words are correct. But here's the secret. Americans use many other greetings, and these greetings sound more natural, more friendly, more American.
Okay, what's the first one?
The first greeting is hey. Just hey. It's very casual, very common. Americans say hey all the time.
Hey?
Yes. Hey. Try it. Say hey.
Hey.
Perfect. One more time.
Hey.
Great job. Now, hey is casual. You can say it to friends, family, coworkers, not for very formal situations, but for everyday life, okay?
Okay. Hey.
Exactly. Now let's learn number 2. Number 2 is hey there. It's similar to hey, but a little more friendly, a little warmer.
Hey there.
Yes. Hey there. Try it.
Hey there.
Beautiful. Now, you can use hey there when you see someone you know, like a neighbor or a friend at the store. It sounds welcoming.
Hey there. I like that one.
Me too. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is what's up? This is super casual, very American. Young people say it a lot.
What's up?
Perfect. But here's the thing. When someone says, what's up, you don't need to answer with a long story. You can just say, hey, or not much, or even, what's up, back to them.
Oh, so it's not really a question?
Exactly. It's more like saying hello. It's a greeting. Try saying it. What's up?
What's up?
Excellent. One more time with confidence.
What's up?
Perfect. Now, let's keep going. Number 4 is how's it going? This one is friendly and casual. You can use it with almost anyone.
How's it going?
Great. Now, people might answer with good or pretty good or not bad. You can say the same things back.
How's it going? Good. Not bad.
Perfect. You're doing so well, Jack. Number 5 is how are you doing? This is a little more formal than what's up, but still very friendly.
How are you doing?
Yes, and listen to how Americans really say it. We say it fast. How you doing? Try it. How you doing?
How you doing?
Perfect. That's how Americans really talk. Fast and connected. Number 6 is good morning. This one is easy, right?
Yes, good morning.
Good. Americans say good morning until about noon. Afternoon, we say good afternoon. And in the evening, we say good evening. But honestly, most Americans just say hey or hi all day long.
Ha! So good morning is not so common.
It's common, but hey is more common. Try saying good morning.
Good morning.
Nice. Now, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And good evening.
Good evening.
Perfect. Those are 3 in 1. That's numbers 6, 7, and 8. Number 9. Howdy. This is a fun one. It's very American, especially in Texas and the South.
Howdy? Like a cowboy?
Yes, exactly like a cowboy. Howdy is a short way to say, how do you do? Try it.
Howdy.
Perfect. It sounds fun, right?
Yes. Howdy. I like it.
Number 10, yo. This is very casual, very informal. Young people and friends use it.
Yo?
Yes, yo. It's super short, super easy. Try it.
Yo.
Great. But remember, only use yo with friends, not with your boss or a stranger.
Okay. Yo is for friends only.
Exactly. Number 11. Hey, how have you been? This one is great when you haven't seen someone for a while.
Hey, have you been?
Perfect. Notice we say have, not how have. Americans connect the words. Have. Try again.
Have you been?
Excellent. This greeting shows you care about the person. It's warm and friendly. Number 12. Long time no see. This is fun and casual. You use it when you haven't seen someone for a long time.
Long time no see.
Perfect. It's a little playful, a little fun, and very American. Number 13. Good to see you. This is warm and friendly. You can use it when you're happy to see someone.
Good to see you.
Beautiful. And you can also say nice to see you. Both are great.
Nice to see you.
Perfect. That's actually number 14. Nice to see you. And finally, number 15. Hey, stranger. This is playful. You say it to someone you know, but you haven't seen them in a while.
Hey, stranger.
Yes, it's like saying, I haven't seen you in so long, but in a fun way. Try it.
Hey, stranger.
Perfect. And that's all 15 greetings. Now, Jack, let's review. Can you remember some of the greetings we learned?
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Excellent. What else?
Howdy. Yo. Long time no see.
Perfect. You remembered so many. Let me review all 15 for you one more time. Listen carefully. Number 1, hey. Number 2, hey there. Number 3, what's up? Number 4, how's it going? Number 5, how are you doing? Number 6, good morning. Number 7, good afternoon. Number 8, good evening. Number 9, howdy. Number 10, yo. Number 11, have you been? Number 12, long time no see. Number 13, good to see you. Number 14, nice to see you. Number 15, hey stranger.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know, but you don't need to use all of them. Just pick 3 or 4 that you like. Practice those, use those every day, okay?
Okay, I like hey, what's up, and how's it going?
Those are perfect. Those 3 are very natural, very American. Practice them this week.
I will. Thank you, Jessica.
You're so welcome, Jack. And remember what I said at the beginning. Don't feel bad if people laugh or look at you weird. You are learning, you are growing, and every time you speak English, you are getting better. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Good. Now go practice. Say hey to someone today. Say what's up to a friend. Try it.
I will.
Perfect. And listeners, you can practice too. Say these greetings out loud. Say them in the mirror. Say them to your friends. The more you practice, the more natural they will feel. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this.
See you next time.
Bye.